In this section of the Getting Started series, I'm going over basic stitches. Now, when it comes to basic stitches, there is a lot of information that we just assume all of you absolute beginner crocheters know how to do. You should know where to put your crochet hook. You should know the difference between a front loop only and a back loop only. You should know how to do a circle. You should know how to extend a stitch. You should know all of the basic crochet stitches that are available that will then be used in any crochet pattern. You should know it, right? No, you don't, because you've never been taught it. We just assume that you automatically know where to place your crochet hook. We assume that you already know how to manipulate a stitch, but you don't. So I'm going to be going through 5 different videos on all the basic stitches and what to do with them. First video is going to be on all of the basic stitches: the single crochet, half double crochet, treble crochet, and double treble crochet. You know how to do all those, right? I'm assuming you don't, and that's perfectly fine, especially for an absolute beginner crocheter. I'm going to show you how to do all of them. So moving forward to any pattern project, you have a foundation. I'm also going to show you where to place your stitches, what a front loop only stitch looks like, what a back loop only stitch looks like. If you're working between stitches, or if you are working over a chain, and what to do there, where to place your crochet hook. I'm also going to be going over how to manipulate your stitch, like make an extended stitch, increase stitches, decrease stitches, what a tog is. I'm going to show you how to make a circle, the different ways you can make a circle. And lastly, I'm going to talk about the common mistakes that absolute beginners make with their stitches. Just going to stick to this category. All of this is on basic stitches. I hope you enjoy, and I hope after watching all of these videos in the series, you feel ready to move from an absolute beginner status into an advanced beginner status.